Shinshif. It's Mr. Gaelic Machgerigish. I'm Gaelic, your Scottish Gaelic speech coach. Agus chanil mi awn sy'n yelan sgia na chadrasta. Ha mi awn yn dynid. Awn sy'n fal fawr. I'm not in Skye at the moment. I'm in the Big Smoke in Edinburgh. And I've been thinking about the second key to Gaelic, Yuchad Aga, that I'm going to be preparing. And it's about the flow of the language. And this Sunday morning is a beautiful morning. Shellal in your hound. Shellal in your hound. And when we say in Gaelic, it's a beautiful morning, every word kind of ties together and flows together beautifully. So that's the kind of thing I'm going to be talking about in my second key to the language. And this is something that has to be practiced very deliberately. She, la, alin, ha, aun. In Gaelic is expressed as she la in your hound. She la in your hound.